Joy, a self-taught artist, and a feather mom to 4 sweet cockatiels. Today, I'm taking my sketchbook outside and leaving the birds for just a few hours to spend time with, guess what? Before heading to the Catnap Cafe, my husband and I stopped to pick up some new art supplies. I treated myself to a few things which I'll show you later, but I brought some along to the cafe so I could sketch the cats. Here we are at Catnap Cafe. This is my second time visiting, and I love that they rescue these cats and help them find their forever homes. I'll admit, I was a bit too ambitious bringing so many art supplies, especially after the shopping trip we just had. Our session was only 55 minutes, and guess what? I only managed to use my mini sketchbook and a gel pen. It's impossible to multitask when there's so many cute cats around, but don't worry, I'll show you all my new art purchases anyway. I bought Reeves watercolor bookmark pads, same thickness as my watercolor pads at home, 300 GSM. And this one is a Byron watercolor pocket set with 24 watercolor pens, 3 mixing palettes, and a water cup. It's so compact, great for travel. And I also got this cutie, a super tiny drawing notebook, along with my pens and brushes. Wait, no. That's alright. The little tag we got for our coffee and food order was Gizmo. And coincidentally, Gizmo was the same cat who welcomed us at the door earlier. They have a double door entry system there, where you can only open one at a time. It's a clever way to make sure none of the residents try to make a great escape while people are coming and going. I'll just flash on the screen the photos of the sketches I made when I got home, because clearly it's so hard to multitask here with all the cuteness around. I actually grew up with dogs and cats in the Philippines, and I've always loved animals. At the moment, I've chosen to only have birds because, as much as I love cats and dogs, having all of them requires constant supervision. Maybe in the future, if I'm working from home full time, that might change. I haven't mentioned it much, but I do have a full-time job managing a restaurant while I build this art community and my own creative habits. I truly believe a gentle art habit is possible even with a busy life. That's why I'm starting small. Small paintings, shorter videos, and smaller sketch pads. Whatever the size, the most important thing is making the habit sustainable so we can stay consistent. It's about showing up for yourself and choosing practice over perfection. We can't produce instant results without work, but work doesn't have to be something we dread. We can design our own environments, shift our priorities and mindsets, and find the fun in the little things around us. If you love art, birds, and want to establish your own gentle art habits, please like and subscribe. It helps so much in growing this community.